जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया।
Good morning, everyone. Hi. Sorry, I had a technical glitch posting the last live video, so I'm back again. I wish you all a very happy Friday. It's Friday. We are setting off to the weekend. We are heading towards family time, love time, relationship time, mental health time. Good morning, Brandhart. So it's Friday, yay! I hope you had a great week. I hope you had a productive week. I hope you were able to manage work, life, and find some time for fitness and mental health as well. So what I did this morning, I did not wake up very early, but I did manage to wake up around 7:30ish my time, and I saw it was very cloudy, windy, almost about to rain, so I went for a run. I ran a 4K, then I went for a 2-kilometer walk. I got my groceries, veggies, yogurt for the weekend so that I can binge, run, do whatever I want, but not go grocery shopping. On that note, what is the tip of the day, right? So the tip of the day, I know we all live a very busy life, and most of us also live an affordable life with a busy life. So when affordability comes with a lot of business, what happens is the life quality is compromised. I'll give you a very brief example. If you have help made at home, the food is cooked, the clothes are done, we have everything handy. We don't remember the last time we cooked, we made someone eat, served the food, or even on a daily basis, we are moving from the computer to the dining table, having food, hogging on the mobile while eating the food, and multitasking around. So here is the tip of the day. Today I want you to go into your kitchen, serve a nice plate of food to somebody in your family. It could be anybody. It could be a child, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anyone. But take a plate, serve food with love, sit down with the person, set every work aside, and see the person enjoy food. If you can join, if you have not eaten, join them with the food. So idea is serve somebody a good plate of food with all sense and love, and engage yourself in that moment when the person is enjoying the food. If you live alone, do that to yourself. Serve yourself a good plate of food. Don't take anybody's help. Don't have the food served to you. You go into the kitchen, take out the plate, serve yourself food, come back on the table, engage yourself with the plate, with the food. That's the importance, because there are two things that we will achieve in this. One is the sense of fulfillment. The act, the emotion behind serving somebody food is very wholesome, very fulfilling. I want you to feel that again. Second is the power of now. You're going to engage in the moment. Your mobiles are going to be away, your computer is going to be away. You are going to be with the person, with the food, after you have served the food. So a sense of fulfillment followed by a totally engaged moment in the present without any baggage. Experience this. I'm sure you will have a very different experience. I will look forward to hearing how did you feel doing this, and then I would want you to continue and keep up this tip as a daily practice. On that note, great Friday, everyone. Make sure you're wrapping up work. The work should not slip to weekend, because weekend is your time, your family time, your mental health time, your soul health time. So yes, prep for the weekend, wrap up your work, and have a great day ahead. I will stay in touch. I'll keep sharing love. I'll keep sharing positivity and embrace positivity from you guys. I love you guys. This is Bairagi Bond signing off from Mr. Morning. See you another day with another set of tips and experience sharing. I love you guys.
गम और खुशी में फर्क न महसूस हो जहाँ, न महसूस हो जहाँ, न महसूस हो जहाँ। मैं दिल को उस मकाम पे लाता चला गया, मैं दिल को उस मकाम पे लाता।
Thank you, Surya. Bye bye. Take care.
जिंदगी का